And I'm back. Did you miss me? Yay, I finally have a fully charged battery. We're here at the mall, JCPenney. We're gonna go to Zales and get this ring resized so that it fits properly. Bling bling. And we're also gonna see if we can turn a white gold ring into a yellow gold ring into a white gold ring. Pulled a Shea Carl, so we just got to Zales and I was like, whoa, hold on, wait a minute. I left all the paperwork in the car. So now I'm walking back to the car. There it is. I'll save you. Sales. Look to the right. Look to the left. Okay, ready? Ready? Top tier, here we go. There we go. That's all, kids. Don't forget to favorite, thumbs up, and comment. And I'm sorry I missed a day, but I'm not sorry.